In 1930, India was suffering under British rule, and the salt tax became a symbol of unfair control. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of the independence movement, decided on a daring plan. He would make his own salt, breaking British law. On March 12th, Gandhi began a 390-kilometer march to the sea with just 78 followers. Every day, as they walked through villages and fields, thousands of people joined him. The excitement grew as more and more people came together. On April 6th, Gandhi finally reached the coast. He bent down, picked up a small handful of salt, and with that simple act, he defied the British. All across India, people followed his lead, making their own salt and protesting the salt tax. The Salt March sparked a movement of peaceful protests, showing the British that India's demand for freedom could not be ignored. Gandhi's action became a turning point in India's fight for independence.